Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best chinchilla toys that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the WINOMO Pet Hammock Toy for Chinchilla. Another one of the chinchilla toys you can try is the WINOMO Pet Hammock. This belongs to the list of best chinchilla toys because it looks stylish, it's safe, and offers the animal a lot of fun. Comfort is a luxury that every pet deserves, and as a parent, you won't be doing too much by getting them the best. It is the perfect accessory for small animals, and the design ensures that chinchillas gets the most out of it. It consists mainly of a pouch with metal chains to hang it with. The chains are rust-resistant, and there are 4 of them to provide maximum security. They also make it convenient to handle and easy to move around. It serves as a hammock or swing for the animal and makes their lives much more fun. The pouch features a soft texture due to the supple material used in its construction. The animal will have a cozy time inside it, without any irritation to their skin. It is made of high quality, with its firm structure and refined stitching to keep it for as long as possible. The chinchilla can also use this as a bed in addition to a swinging toy. Overall, your chinchilla will experience the relaxation that will enhance their quality of life. Moving on at number 4, we have the Niteangel Small Animal Activity Toy. Toys for chinchillas do not have to be complicated, and the Niteangel Small Animal Activity Toy is not. Being in a cage restricts how much exercise an animal can get, and so as a parent, you should try to incorporate toys for that purpose. This is one of the toys for chinchilla that provides mental stimulation while having fun. It consists of 4 balls of different textures that are safe for chinchillas and are easy to use. The balls are made of 100% natural materials with no metal, glue, or plastic. This means that no matter how much time chinchillas spends playing with the toys, they are not going to experience any adverse reactions. Your pet can also nibble on it, and so it serves as one of the fantastic chew toys for chinchillas. It provides a deep base filled with litter for the animal to burrow into. Each ball measures 2.6 inches in diameter, with some of the materials used being corn husk, seagrass, rattan, and water hyacinth. The variety will allow your pet to choose what they like the most rather than playing with whatever they are given. Each of them also has the benefits it offers the animal, and they are all usually positive. You will notice a pleasant improvement in how your pet behaves, and you too will enjoy bonding time more. At number 3, we have the Chinchilla Hut Hideout. One of the peculiar chinchilla chew toys you can find is the Chinchilla Hut Hideout. This chinchilla toy is shaped like a house and encourages the animal to chew and nest. Nesting allows chinchillas to get some rest after some time of exercise. It is built with natural pine wood, which is safe for chinchillas' dental health. It is also the perfect toy for small animals, which brings some fun into their lives. It is one of the recommended chinchilla cage accessories because it provides a place for them to hide out and rest as well. The universal design allows it to fit conveniently into any space without looking too odd. Chinchillas, even though they will benefit from a lot of exercises, will sometimes want to retreat and have a good rest. While taking some time off, they can gnaw on something to make their teeth healthier. This chew toy presents the opportunity to do both at a time, and this makes it one of the most thoughtful things you can do for your pet. At number 2, we have the FLOURITHING Molar Sticks toys. Of all the chinchilla chew toys available, the FLOURITHING Molar Sticks toys is one of the chinchilla-friendly ones. This is because they encourage healthy chewing, which also improves their dental health. These chinchilla toys offer the right opportunity for the animal to grind their teeth to control their growth. They are made from natural materials that go through careful processes before being packaged. The operations include screening, trimming, washing, drying, and sorting them. No pesticides or preservatives are added in the processing, and the sticks are packaged in airtight Ziploc bags to preserve them for longer. To prevent chinchillas from getting bored with these toys, they come in multiple flavors that they love. The purpose of these chew toys is to keep the chinchilla's teeth growing in the right way to prevent them from wearing out their jaws. And finally at number 1, we have the MYIDEA Warm Big Mat for Chinchillas. The MYIDEA Warm Cushion Big Mat is on this list of best chinchilla toys because of the comfort it offers the animal. It is a cute, soft mat that can be used as a nesting space for the animal. Once in a while, your chinchilla could do with a luxury experience, and this cage accessory will do just that for it. It consists of a plush cushion pad, covered with a removable cover with a zipper so that it is easy to clean. It is of high quality, with PP cotton, which is responsible for softness and plushness. The materials are environmentally friendly and fit for other small animals. The bed is equipped with a non-slip bottom to keep it in place, no matter how much the chinchilla moves around. The large size can accommodate an animal weighing 1 to 1.8 pounds, and they will appreciate the warmth and comfort. It makes an excellent accessory for your chinchilla's cage and will add a touch of fun to it. It also comes in a number of different styles for different seasons, and there will be nothing like a boring cage. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon